I'm going to show you how to join a gang in Street Wars 2. Joining a gang enhances your gameplay, allowing you to participate in faction wars and team activities. So first, start by joining the Street Wars 2 Discord server. Scroll down on the game page to find the server link. Joining the Discord is essential, as it's where most gang recruiting happens. Within Discord, you'll find different channels or announcements listing the various gangs you can join. Review these options to find a gang that aligns with your playstyle. After choosing a gang, ask in the server for the gang's official Discord or Roblox group link. Each gang has its own group chat that you'll need to join on Roblox. Once you have the gang's Roblox group link, join the group. Membership in the group will confirm your affiliation with the gang. Engage with the gang on Discord and Roblox to get fully integrated. Some gangs have training, events, and faction battles where active participation can enhance your experience.